Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to update Windows Security or Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to update your Windows Security, which is a default antivirus on your Windows, so if you want to update that one, so I will show you how to do this. This you can see a search menu, click on that and type here Windows Security. You can see here Windows Security, click on that. Maximize the screen. Here you can see virus and threat protection, click on that. Scroll down. You can see virus and threat protection update. You can see here protection update, click on this. Then you can click on check for update. You can see the last updated on. You will find the date when it was last updated, and here you will see the version. So if there is any pending update, just click on check for update. Then it will update your Windows Security or Windows Defender. That's it guys. So in this way you can update your Windows Security on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.